Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some hamburgers and french fries in my Cosori air fryer. This man that got on my last nerve. He cooked his hamburger on the stove, heating up the house. You know, there's a big old air fryer sitting here. Fixed his fries in the air fryer. He could put the hamburger in it at the same time. Just like I'm about to do. He wasting grease all over the floor and cussing.
I ain't cussing.
What'd you say?
I said I'm not cussing.
Huh? Okay.
I'm doing fine till she came in here.
Man, please. Okay. This is the air fryer he used. His fry's still in there. That's what I'm doing. Section off a little section for fries. And I'm going to cut out my hamburgers. And he's in my way. You're in my way. For real. Clean it good. Use up all the soap. Guess I'll just season it later. But you are in my way. Put a hole in it so it don't puff up in the middle. I usually season it, put the seasoning all in here and pat it out. I'm just going to put it on top right now. It'll still be good. Poke a hole in the middle. But I need to wash my hands. And you're in my way. You slashing the water everywhere. Don't get that on my plants. I ain't gonna tell you no more.
Thank you.
That ain't clean. You know that ain't clean. I gotta wash my hands. Excuse me. Thank you.
It's smooth.
Is that scalding hot water?
No.
You got the shower set, so I burn myself every time I get in there. I'm good with that. Okay. We use some of this steak seasoning. That's what I used. You know what? I'm gonna put some of this Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend on my hamburger. Okay. Oh, it ain't coming out of here. Okay. I have to break it up. It's gonna be the best hamburger ever. Let me black pepper. Walter with my black pepper. Walter Ford with my black pepper. Am I in your way? You knock my food down, man. That's hot. Okay, this is the way mine looks. Okay, what am I gonna set it on? Steak. Oh no. You almost hit me with that hot air fryer basket.
I ain't almost hit you.
No, I don't want that. Let me see. Chicken, fish, shrimp. So many decisions. Okay. How long I want this to cook? I'm gonna put it on chicken setting. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put it on the frozen setting. 350 for 10 minutes. And we're gonna see. Okay. I will be back. You still shaking stuff. Them fries look like they've been drugged through the dirt. For real.
Good.
For real, for real.
Warmed up too.
Now you got warming in the microwave. Still using my dish towel to wipe off a skillet. That skillet is dirty.
It ain't dirty, it's smooth.
That's dirty.
It's smooth. It's smooth. I felt it. It's smooth.
That's dirty.
That ain't dirty.
No, that's dirty.
That's not dirty. It's smooth.
You starting something.
I ain't. That's smooth.
I'm gonna finish it. Here's Walter's meal. Okay. He got to have a bun, else he'd rather not have it. See, I eat mine with bread. Look at them dirty fries.
They good. I bet they be good. Dirty
And he
fries.
stole ketchup from McDonald's.
Okay. You took McDonald's.
Where did ketchup come from? Oh, that's White Castle. And that one's McDonald's. And the other from Wendy's. And the other one from where?
Shut up.
Okay, you got something to say? Huh?
I have nothing to say other than you getting on my nerves.
I don't know how to get on nobody's
Oh,
nerves.
yes, you can.
You ain't got no nerves. It's in your face.
Happy Friday.
Okay.
I hope I have a happy Friday. Happy Friday.
Okay, y'all. I put 5 more minutes on whatever time was on there to start with. I forgot. Thinking it was 10 minutes at 350. If it had been at 400, it probably would have cooked for that. I think it was 10 minutes. So it's taking 15 minutes. So it's getting ready to stop. It's in my way. This is the Power XL air fryer. This is my very first air fryer. Okay. Let's see. Because I don't want no pink hamburger. I don't want nothing still moving. Okay. I got some, well, this is bag salad. I have Miracle Whip on both sides of both breads. On both breads. American cheese and a lot of onion up under the salad. Could have melted the cheese, but I didn't. I don't see nothing I'm doing. Okay. Try to burn myself. I will clean this later. See how it looks. Okay. Put some ketchup for the fries. I'm gonna cut the burgers. And I hope there ain't no pink inside because I don't like it rare. My knife. We had nothing to eat all day long. Why do that? Yep, it's done through and through. So it took 15 minutes at 350. Okay, that's the way I like it. That's the way, I like it. Cut the oven. And fry out the way. Ouch, fry's hot. Okay, we're going to see about the other half. Is that done? Yep, it's done. Okay, I'm about to get my eat on. I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Bon appetit. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Bye. That's my meal. See, the burger is done and juicy. Okay, I'm going for real now. Bye.